Good morning students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain exercise 1.2 third sum. What is the third sum is given? Exercise 1.2 third one. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5/6. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5/6. Any 5 rational numbers. How many rational numbers between any two numbers? Actually infinite. But here how many 5 rational numbers less than 5/6. How many? What are they? Okay, 5/6. 4/6, 3/6, 2/6, 1/6, 0/6. Enough. So 0/6 is smaller, and 4/6, 3/6, 2/6, 1/6, 0/6. These are 5 numbers. What is the fourth one is given? Find 12 rational, very important model. Find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. Okay. How many rational numbers between any two numbers? Already I explained infinite numbers. Here you can write 12 rational numbers. Any 12 rational numbers in between -1 and 2. Okay. Look at the board. Very important model also. -1, 2. Okay. How many rational numbers you need? 12 rational numbers. So both numerator and denominator multiply with 12 plus 1, 13. If you given 5 rational numbers, 5 plus 1, 6. If you are asking only 1 plus 1, 2. Multiply with both numerator and denominator. If you know number means 1 you take. 13 minus 1 jar, minus 13. 1 13 jar, 13. 2 13 jar, 26. 13 1 jar, 13. So these two numbers are which numbers? Like fractions. So minus 13 by 12, minus 12 by 12, 13, minus 11 by 13, minus 10 by 13, minus 9 by 13, minus 8 by 13, minus 7 by 13, minus 6 by 13, minus 5 by 13, minus 4 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 2 by 13, minus 1 by 13, 0 by 13, 1 by 13, and so on. 24 by 13, 25 by 13, 26 by 13. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and so on like that. So you need for example 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You will take like this. Okay. Next one is Find a rational number between fifth one. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay. Here one int is given. First write the rational numbers with equal denominators. This can be written equal like equal denominators. Equal denominator means like fractions. They are 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 converted into like fractions. How to convert the like fractions to fractions? Means write the first find the LCM of 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12. 2 by 3 into, in which number multiply gives 12? 4. So 4 by 4 and 3 by 4 multiply with 3 by 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay. 2 4s are 8. By 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. By 4 3s are 12. So the two numbers can be converted into like fractions. Is it clear? Okay. Now how many rational numbers? Find a rational number. Only one number. Already I said if you ask one number, if you add 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Multiply with both numerator and denominator with 2. 8 by 12 into 2 by 2. 9 by 12 into 2 by 2. Okay. 8 2s are 16 by 12 2s are 24. 9 2s are 18. 12 2s are 24. These also like fractions. What is the left middle number? 16, 18. What is the middle number? 17 by 24. So 17 by 24 is the rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay. Next. This is very important model. Examination point of view, 2 marks sum is given. Next, sixth one. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Okay, here minus is given. I will take plus positive 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Okay, take. Look at the board, all of you. 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. First of all, you will take my plus 3 by 4. After that, I will take minus 3 by 4. 3 by 4, 5 by 6. Minus 3 by 4, 5 by 6. First, this fraction can be converted into like fractions. Like fractions means denominators are same. How will convert the denominators are same? First, take a LCM of denominators. LCM of 4 and 6 equals to, what is the LCM of 4 and 6? 4 6 are 24? Yes, no. 4 comma 6. 2 table. 2 3 times. 2 2 times. 2 table. 1 time 3 1 times. 3 table 1 1. 3 2 are 6. 6 2 are 12. Before that 4 and 3. There is no common factors to 4 and 3. That's why 4 into 3 12 is writing. But here 4 and 6 is divisible by 2 table. That's why it is a take LCM. 4 and 6 equals to 12. Now 3 by 4 In which number is multiplied with 4 gives 12? 3. So 3 by 3. And 5 by 6 into 6, 2 by 2. 6 2 is 12. 3 3 is 9 by 4 3 is 12. 5 2 is 10 by 6 2 is 12. How many numbers you need? 10 numbers. So 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Multiply with 11 both numerator and denominator. Of two fractions. Okay. 9 by 12 into 11 table. 11 by 11. 10 by 12 into 11 by 11. Okay. 9, 11 jar. 99. By 12, 11 jar. 132. 10, 11 jar. 110 by 132. What are the numbers? 99, 132. 110, 132. Left the numbers. Denominators are same. 99. What is the next number? 100. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 by 132 by 132, 132, 132. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You need 10 rational numbers. Okay, clear? Once you look at according to what is given our sum, minus 3 by 4. Okay, same LCM of 4 and 6 equals to 12. Minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 3. 5 by 6 into 2 by 2. Minus 9 by 12. 10 by 12. Multiply both numerator and denominator with 11. So minus 9 by 12 into 11 by 11. 10 by 12 into 11 by 11. So minus 99 by 132. 110 by 132. So here minus 99. What is the next number? Minus 98, minus 97, minus 96, minus 95, minus 94, minus 93, minus 92, minus 91, minus 90, minus 89, minus 81, and so on like that. 0 by 132, 1 by 132, 2 by 132, 3 by 132, 4 by 132, and so on like that. 110 by 132. If you write number of terms, number of numbers, so many, maybe 100 plus 110, 210 numbers you write. Here minus and plus is given. If you both two numbers are positive or both two numbers are negative is given, if you simply like this, if you need 10 means multiply with 11, it exactly gives 10 rationals only. If you need how many rational numbers, same numbers you will came. Otherwise, like this, 2, 10 or something, how many numbers? One negative number is given and a positive number is given. If you write a number of numbers, came. Okay. Next. This is very, very important model. In the examination point of view, it is 2 marks given. Okay. Now, Conversion of decimal form into decimal form. Conversion of decimal form into rational form. Converting terminating decimal to rational form. Okay, conversion of decimal form. A terminating decimal and a non-terminating repeating decimal can be converted into rational numbers. Already in the introduction I gave already. Converting terminating decimal to rational form. How to convert the terminating decimals first into rational form. After that non-terminating repeating decimals can be converted to how to convert the rational form. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss about this topic. Thank you, students.